Here are the top 10 most expensive animals in the world. Number 10. Kangaroo, $40,000 to $60,000. Number 9. Jaguar, $50,000 to $80,000. Number 8. Cheetah, $60,000 to $100,000. Number 7. Snow leopard, $80,000 to $120,000. Number 6. Chimpanzee, $100,000 to $150,000. Number 5. Giraffe, $150,000 to $200,000. Number 4. African elephant, $200,000 to $300,000. Number 3. Bengal tiger, $300,000 to $500,000. Number 2. White lion, $1 million to $500,000. Number 1. Arabian horse, $10 million to $100 million. But you can subscribe for free.